Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure brand visibility with Pinterest easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a Pinterest business account if you don't have one. Visit the Pinterest for Business website and sign up. Fill out your business information accurately. Verify your website to gain credibility and access additional features. Next, create a visually appealing profile. Use a logo or a recognizable image as your profile picture. Write a clear and concise bio that reflects your brand identity. Now, focus on pin design. Create high-quality, vertical images that catch the eye. Use consistent colors and fonts that align with your branding. Incorporate your branding elements to enhance recognition. Start creating boards that represent your services or products. Name your boards with relevant keywords to enhance discoverability. Organize pins in categories that resonate with your target audience. Next, start pinning content relevant to your brand. Include a mix of original and curated content to provide value. Optimize your pin descriptions with keywords for better search visibility. Link each pin back to your website or relevant landing pages. Engage consistently with your audience. Follow relevant accounts and repin content that aligns with your brand. Comment on pins and participate in group boards to widen your reach. Now, utilize Pinterest Analytics. Monitor which pins and boards perform best. Adjust your strategy based on this data to improve visibility. Consider using Pinterest ads to amplify your reach. Target specific demographics that align with your brand. Finally, stay updated with Pinterest trends. Regularly refresh your content and boards to keep them relevant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.